Welcome back to my channel Simple Tech. So after a long time, today I'm here to explain you about the subclass 462 visa for Australia. So which is nothing but this 462 visa is called the first work and holiday visa. So basically you can see here it is divided into three categories: first work, second work and third work. So in simple terms, there is one particular requirement for these visas. So once you finish the first work and holiday visa, then only you will get the eligibility to the second work, and once you finish these both, then only you will get eligibility to the third work and holiday visa. And if you see here, so there are some basic requirements for this first work and holiday visa. So you can get a question, why this visa for us? So this visa is actually for all people who are interested to visit Australia, and while visiting Australia, who are planning to work there, so that they can fund their trip in Australia. As you can see here, China, India and Vietnam passport holders so must participate in a ballot based system, so which is nothing but it is a lucky draw. So basically you need to create an account in the Immigration Australia website, and you need to register for the visa pre-application process, which is nothing but ballot. So today I'm gonna show you that process. And for the registration, only thing you need to pay is $25 Australian dollars. And you can see here the stay is 12 months. So once after the first lucky draw, which is going to happen on July 16th, if your application picks in the process, then you need to pay 650 Australian dollars for the application processing. And current processing times, it is depends on various type of applications. So the basic time what I observed is they are showing it as 4 months for the processing. So let me go into the process how you can apply for that. As you can see on my screen, this is the website for the Australian immigration. So if you already created the account in the Australian immigration website, you can log in with your email and password. Otherwise you can click on create an IME account, and you need to provide a valid Gmail address or any email address, and then it will send you a verification code to activate the account, and you can create a password so that you can access all the services provided by Australian government. So in my case, I already created the account so that I can show you my account as well, and what is the process to apply for the 462 visa. You can see on my screen, so I logged into my account which says this is my name in the top right corner, and you can see there is an option called new application. Once you click this new application, it will show the page looks like. It will show you all types of visas and all different categories of visas who are willing to migrate to Australia. So in our case, for this particular video, so we are talking about subclass 462 for the ballot based system. So you need to expand the third last option, visa pre-application registration. So let me expand this one, and you can see here work and holiday visa 462. So once you click on here, right, this page will redirect you to here, and then here you need to read all the questions and provide all the acknowledgements, and you need to provide all your details and your passport number and date of birth and country of passport, and remaining all other things as well. And there will be one more question in this case, because I already filled the application, that question is disabled for me. So it will ask you for a national identity document. So for the Indian passport holders who are willing to apply for subclass 462, the national identity document is nothing but PAN card, permanent account number card. So you need to provide the PAN card details. Don't forget, and mistakenly don't provide your Aadhaar card number, because most of us think Aadhaar as the unique document for the Indians. But in this case, we need to provide PAN card, and you need to tick all the check boxes here and review your information. Once you saved everything and proceed further, you will go through the payment portal where you need to pay 25 Australian dollars I think it's gonna charge you extra 65 cents as well because of the handling fees for the website and everything. So in my case, I paid around $25.65, approximately 1500 Indian rupees. So this is the process to apply for the ballot based subclass 462 visa. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you.